How to see unsent messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Messenger. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now go to settings and simply scroll down. Now under preferences, you will find an option for notifications and sound. Simply tap on it. Now make sure to enable notifications from your Messenger. Now once you're done, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on device. Now scroll down. Now tap on notifications and quick settings. Again scroll down. Now tap on more settings. Now on the last option, tap on notification history. Now simply enable this toggle. Now if someone deletes their message, you can go to notification history and you can read the message from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.